Assalamu alaikum, y'all. Prince Shakri, bruh. I'm Qatar, bruh. Like, this is my only been my week here, and it's raining, dude. Like, it's raining. Oh, Allah, thank you for the rain. Allah, thank you for the rain. I just completed my fasting as well. It's raining, dude. Bruh, it's raining. I just got from the masjid. Dang. Bruh, it's raining. Yo. Well, Allah, thank you. Allah, thank you. I'm also fasting as well. Yeah, yeah. Hey, it's I feel around the house, but make sure y'all stay motivated. Make sure y'all stay if it's drug free, stay healthy, stay motivated. Keep yourself motivated. And trust in Allah. Trust in Allah. It's Prince Shakri, and Assalamu alaikum. And again, it's Prince Shakri. I'm like.